All right, guys. This is for that last problem right before your percent composition notes. This is on the how many grams of glucose can you get if you have 2.4 times 10 to the 45th atoms of hydrogen. It was a problem in your notes. I thought I'd go over it really quick. We're going to go from atoms of hydrogen to grams of glucose, the whole molecule, so we have to be able to convert that. So as you set this up, and these will be problems that will come down the pipe, you have to look at your formulas. So it says we have 2.4, I'm going to write it down here, times 10 to the 45th atoms of hydrogen. And we are going to convert that into, at the very end, grams of C6H12O6. So to get there, we have to do some conversions. And one that you know, but you may not know, is that if we have the formula C6H12O6, we know that one molecule of C6H12O6 is equal to 12 atoms of hydrogen. We know that just from the formula. Okay? Then the other things that we know that 1 mole of C6H12O6 is equal to 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd molecules of C6H12O6. Okay? And then we know that 1 mole of C6H12O6 is also equal to 144 grams of C6H12O6. Again, where did that 144 come from? Well, we know that we got 12 AMUs of carbon, and there's 6 of those. We got 1 for hydrogen, and there's 12 of those. And we have 16, and there's 6 of those for C, H, and O. And you add those all up, and it comes out to be 144 grams per mole. Very important number. You'll see that a lot. So, if these are my 3 conversions, I can then stick these in here, and we'll get our answer. So those of you that figured this out or did this in your notes, kudos. You did a great job. So we start with this. Atoms, we got 12 atoms of hydrogen is going to be 1 molecule. And again, this is why you got to write that whole word out. Molecule of C6H12O6. We know that 1 molecule of C6H12O6 is going to be, 1 mole, my bad guys, 1 mole is going to be 6, hold on, I'm going too fast myself. We know that 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd molecules of C6H12O6 is 1 mole of C6H12O6. Molecules cancel out, atoms have canceled out. 1 mole of C6H12O6 is 144 grams of C6H12O6. Those cancel out. And as we're looking at that, grab your calculator. And we have 2.4, 45 divided by 12 divided by 6.02 to the 23rd times 144, and we come out with I'll write this up here at an angle, 4.784 grams. I look at my beginning number. I have 2 sig figs. So my correct answer will be 4.8 grams of C61206. And that's how you do that last problem, guys. Our next one, we'll be talking about percent composition. Hopefully this helps out. Yep, I even get things messed up like I do in class. Do the same thing on these videos. So make sure that things cancel out. If not, then you know you got to go back and fix them. So we'll be coming back with another video on percent composition and figuring out empirical formulas. If you have questions, make sure you're emailing me, and make sure that you're watching the videos and reading through your textbook. We'll talk at you later.